We are forlorn like children, and experienced like old men. We are crude and sorrowful and superficial. I believe we are lost. The first bomb, the first explosion, burst in our hearts. While they continued to write and talk, we saw the wounded and dying. While they taught that duty to one's country is the greatest thing, we already knew that death throes are stronger. It is very queer that the unhappiness of the world is so often brought on by small men. The war has ruined us for everything. How senseless is everything that can ever be written, done, or thought, when such things are possible. We are no longer untroubled, we are indifferent. Our knowledge of life is limited to death. We were all at once terribly alone, and alone we must see it through. A hospital alone shows what war is. I soon found out this much: terror can be endured so long as a man simply does, but it kills, if a man thinks about it. They are too grievous for us to be able to reflect on them at once. If we did that, we should have been destroyed long ago.